In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off read receipts on your Samsung device. Are you tired of others knowing when you've read their messages? Well, you're in luck. With just a few simple steps, you can regain your privacy and keep others guessing whether or not you've seen their texts. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap on the search button at the right of the screen and search for Messages Settings. Tap and select Messages Settings from the search results. After that, tap RCS Chats. And now you'll see an option called Send Read Receipts. So to turn off read receipts on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.